Hola beauties. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into this video. In today's video, I am doing a get ready with me, and this is my first get ready with me in months. I think even years. But in this get ready with me, I am showing you a makeup application. I'm showing you my hair, and I'm also showing you two fashionable outfits that you can wear, possibly recreate yourself to slay this 2020 New Year's Eve. And we are all ready to ring in 2021 because I think I can speak for many people when I say we have had enough of 2020. So I'm beginning with my makeup application, and I'm not showing you every single step in this makeup application because I was trying to keep this video as short and sweet as possible. But I am beginning this makeup application with eyebrows, as I do any makeup application that I do. Brows are your foundation to a flawless makeup application. I mean, it sets the tone for your look. So I always begin with brows, and I am using Makeup Shayla times Colourpop eyeshadow palette for my eye look. Now, make sure you check the description box because I will have a list of every product that I'm using, and I will also have links to the outfits that I am wearing. If I can find them, I will definitely link them. So don't forget to check your description box. Now, back to what I was saying. This is Colourpop times Shayla eyeshadow palette called, I think it's Proceed with Caution. And here I am laying maintenance in my crease. And, excuse me, I'm showing you just a little bit of both eye looks, but I'm not showing you every single step in the makeup application. So make sure you watch from beginning to end because you are definitely in for a treat. Now, this color here that I am laying on my lid, this is called Dead End. And the key to intensify that lid color, as you can see what I just did, I sprayed my makeup brush with a little setting spray. But you can use whatever you want just to kind of dampen that makeup brush. And what it does is it intensifies that color payoff on your lid. And now in this tear duct, I did use a different palette. I used the Jackieaina times Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I am using Trust Issues in my tear duct. That is a beautiful color that will make that tear duct pop. And that's just my thing. I love to add a little shimmer in my tear duct. And now, y'all, this liquid liner here, this is NYX Matte Black. This is my favorite liquid liner to use whenever I do a wing. And I always like to put mascara on my natural lashes because what it does is it helps them to blend with the false eyelashes. I mean, because you do have some eyeshadows that have a little fallout, and you may get some things on your lashes that when you put those false eyelashes on, your own eyelashes typically are looking like chalky and dusty from the eyeshadow. So it also helps to bring that color back. And now, this foundation, okay? Don't come for me, but don't tell me I'm not using the right shade, which I do know. This is number 430 in the Fenty Beauty. I think this is a matte foundation, but I did not realize that I'm no longer that shade. I mean, it still looked good in the end, but it was off just a tad bit. And now I am setting using that Crayon case setting powder. Oh my goodness, I did not know how good that setting powder was. That setting powder will make your face look so smooth and give such a flawless finish. I absolutely love it. And then this Mocha Mommy bronzer by Fenty Beauty is my favorite now. I used to love the Anastasia Mahogany, but this right here, this is it. So again, because I'm not saying each and every product that I'm using, make sure you check the description box. I always have a little bit of info, whether it's a link products used, whatever. Just check it. And now this highlighter here, oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. I absolutely love it. Now let's get into this waterline. I am using my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. I love putting white or something that's near white in the waterline. It just makes your eyes bigger and it makes them pop. Now onto the lips. I paired Colourpop x Shayla lip liner BFF4 with MAC's Angel lipstick. This lipstick is so pretty. This is one of my favorite nudes. And once you do that, you have to blend. You have to blend to make sure that lip liner and that lipstick is seamless. And once you have reached your desired look, you are ready to set. Now today I am wearing a custom unit made by Miss Brittany. Her IG is right here on the screen. And I am using Spanish Wave bundles from Unique Strands and Quality Hair. And their IG is right here on the screen. So make sure you follow both of them. And this unit, I have several units now. And this one here has become my absolute favorite. It just gives me that look, that sizzling hot look that I am looking for. And now y'all have to make sure this looks like it is coming out of the scalp. So I'm just adjusting and getting it right.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got
yes, honey. Now this right here is a jumpsuit from Fashion Nova. The bag and the shoes are as well, the entire look. And I'm showing you outfit number 1. You can slay it just like this. And you can add a belt to just switch it up a little bit. And here it is all about the animal print. I have added a cute little blazer jacket, a bag, and honey, I am ready.
Yes, queen,
now
yes,
on
queen,
to
yes,
look
queen.
number 2. This one shoulder jumpsuit from Fashion Nova as well. Bags and purse are from Aldo. And now either one of these looks, baby, will get you ready for that countdown. 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year, beauties. I will catch you in the next video.
Hey, queen. Girl, you have done it again. Constantly raising the bar for us all and doing it flawlessly.